Man, what a friggin' morning. Okay. Let me do all the things that I'm supposed to do here. Oh, this is even worse. I tried having my monitor like vertical, and now that was a mistake. So I set it back, and now everything's all messed up. I've ruined it. Where's friggin' everything? There's that. There's that. Okay, there's this one. Hey, what's up, Travel Fire? Good to see you. There we go. Now I have my links. 5 Tweeties. The next place I may just have the other monitor like even higher up here if I could stack them vertically like that. My other monitor is used for like chat and like all secondary, tertiary things. Okay, this can be, there we go, into the hangout here, boop, boop, boop. So now good, we're good. This is all messed up now. This is all messed up now. Minimize that. Okay. Ugh. Oh, it's already getting cold, damn. Okay, whatever. Now I'm gonna start doing what I was doing. I'm trying to set this up to do some things for me so I don't have to be setting this all up in each body ever. The find is a bit slow, but if I do it at the very beginning as things load, it should be okay. Transform my mesh equals transform find, and then I gotta do my mesh, whoopsie, my trans, we'll call it temp trans. My mesh equals temp trans dot get component, and it's gonna be skinned mesh renderer. There we go. We're gonna see if that'll let me do this. Find my skin renderer. It's gonna happen on start for each body runner. Ooh, hey Victory, what's up, Moff? Good to see you. It was a morning of experimentation where I was trying to get, I have a monitor over here on my left. It's where I'm always looking for chat. That's why when I'm looking here and you got the profile view, I'm looking at chat and OBS and like any web page I might have up, because I'm like, up here is Unity, so what you're seeing in the lower right, and down here is my Cintiq, which is where the code is right now. ATF full game, end of summer hopefully, but obviously it'll be done when it's done. And then over here, yeah, like I said, it's chat and everything. So I tried to do a vertical monitor thing to bring everything closer, because I'm really stretching my little 2-arm monitor holder to the max. And so some stuff's all the way over there. So I'm trying to bring it closer, but when I did that, that was awful. And so I brought it back, but now everything's like weird and in the wrong spot. Okay. Flatten that a little more. Now maybe bring that in just a little bit. Bring that out. Have that be. Alright, that's pretty much where it was. Awesome, awesome. There's definitely, Maddie Ray and I were talking about this last night in his stream. There's definitely a progression. Like, the subject was my first solo game. And while I've worked in AAA for a long time, you know, obviously that was as an artist, not as like a programmer, designer, or anything like that. So each of my games, you can kind of see like how they've improved. So eventually you'll be able to look at everything and be like, subject to Our Secret Below to Kohate to this. And I think this is where I'm hitting my stride. All right, we're gonna see what we get out of this, and if I can get this all set up, I'll probably work on the tool a little bit and do a few things where I can get an idea of, like, you know, hopefully. Let's see, I go to the root, and we'll see if I can get it. We should see my mesh fill up at the beginning here. Oops, you. There we go. All right, what's our error? Not set to an instance of an object. Yeah, that's for each body. Boo. Yeah. So I go into the root and I try and find that. I mean, I sent it in. They have their auto responder that's like, we get flooded with shit all the time. So, you know, if you hear back from us at all, it'll be a while. So I'm not like lofty. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. It'd be super cool. I mean, I sent everything in. I sent a link to the build that I have on Patreon. That's just like kind of the current state of things. The prototype, a bunch of screenshots of things, and some videos of like current, like the inspection of the body and stuff, and like you know, just general things that are happening in development. And then obviously there's a write-up. That's what they have you submit with. Oh, it's by title. It's by title. So it'll be just Mortuary Assistant. But I'm sure once those gates are open and you have a working relationship and you like each other, like, I'm sure they'd be open to other stuff a little more easily. But that's also if you want to do it too. It depends on how it goes. So we'll see. All right, so we couldn't get component skin menderer because what we're going to do is this, and we're going to see find if temp trans is not equal null temp trans. We're going to do temp trans.name. Say found trans.name. I mean, I know it doesn't find it because it's blank, but I want to see what happens here. Yeah. So we're going to the root, which takes us to here, which I then do a find for CC based body, but that doesn't seem to work. Finds a child by N and returns it. It says finds a child. So do I have to do, ugh. It's that recursive shit again. Oh boy. Oh, I see what they're doing. It would have to be like oh man. It would have to specifically be, I think it's old lady slash, that's the name from the looks of it. Yeah. Oh, gross. Let's try it real quick. That'd be weird. Morning, Codapill. How's it going? Morning, Josh. Good to see you all. I'm doing some weird stuff here. I'm trying to get this script to find everything on its own at start. It'll be a little more chuggy at start to do that, but I mean, it's a load, whatever. And then I won't have to be assigning tons of stuff individually. in here. Like I'm trying to get the skinned renderer here, but the problem is I have to specifically, I go to the root, which goes to body 2, then I go to old lady, and then I find a child within old lady. Found CC base body. Okay, so it found it. It found it going through old lady. The problem is they're not all old ladies. So what I have to do, root.child. Ugh. All right. Yeah, I'm going to have to do CC base body is always the same. So what I have to do is transform dot root. I find a child with an old lady. My old lady, she is with child. Couldn't you have a list of bodies on your tool? So yeah, this isn't the tool, but I mean, I could. The goal is to not have to set up anything in the editor. I mean, for the tool, yeah, sure, I could probably do some specific, like, type in the name of the body and then do that and it'll set it up. That's probably easier. But this is like, this is for the start of the game for the actual runner to find the skin mesh renderer. Because what I really want is I want to be able to make new bodies in the future and put this body runner script on the object. And then it'll just build itself. Like that's what I would like, so that I don't have to do any of that over and over in script or in the editor. But I mean, I guess if it's part of just building it for, like, there's nothing awful, I guess, about just being like, you know what, here it is, boop, there, I've set it up. I already do it for the, like this stuff is all set up. I already do it for the other pieces and the animator and stuff. I was just thinking it'd be nice to have it where it finds all of that on its own. But I mean, once I have, the thing is, some of this is trying to ease growing pains. Whereas once I have the process figured out, I won't have to worry about that, you know? Because I'll just put a new body in, put this on there, fill some stuff in, and be done. So maybe it's not that big a deal. Or maybe I need to work more on the tool. But yeah. No, I'm not moving this over to Unreal. This project's too far in to go over to Unreal. That would be unwise of me. Instead, what I'm doing is kind of messing around with it and learning. And then I have a prototype that I want to do that I'll do in Unreal. And we'll see how that goes. I'm being cautious. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a void move morph right here. Yes, yeah, oh yeah, I already got through that. We good. I don't need this anymore, I know this works. So I'm gonna have actually public void move morph because I'm gonna access from other places. I'm trying to see how I can generalize this, because these names are gonna change. Because right now this blend shape, it's called body.rot shape. I could probably do it by that, I guess. Oopsies. Get blend shape weight. Returns the weight of a blend shape. Set blend shape weight. There has to be another way to do this. I don't want this one. Oh, I see. The set and then the value. Got it. Okay. So it'd be set blend shape weight. I didn't realize. Yeah, okay, there's the index of it, but I don't know which one's which. I mean, I'm assuming I might be able to change it to string. Blend shape count. Grr. Can I get the index value of this? I mean, I guess it's the last one. I don't plan to add additional things to this, but I don't know. Yeah, Unity knows. Yeah. Hey, Chub. Morning, Cody. How's it going, dude? Trying to figure out how to hook up this blend shape. And how I would do it over time. I'd do like a tween, but I mean, I guess I could start a coroutine. I don't remember. How dare you? So mesh render, yeah. Blend shape name I. Okay, so I can find it. Ugh. Do I want to do that every single time? I mean, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I suppose. What is it? Oh, the mesh itself? Oh, that's weird. Because I've got the skin mesh renderer here, but they're wanting mesh. It's head.shared mesh. Ugh. Shape.count plus. So I would get that, and then in there it would be if string morph. So if Yep. Fun. Get indexed by name. You know, I just thought of that actually. I was like, could it just work with name? Nope. Nah. What? Oh, shared mesh dot. Okay, hold on. Get blend shape name. Get blend shape index. Oh, okay. So this would just return whatever. Okay, I see. I see what you're saying. And this would return a value. Got it. So it just does it for you. Okay. Other one. So in addition to being haunted by ghosts, will be not necessarily stumpy. It's something I'm messing with. This is more of like a proof of concept for this thing I've been wanting to do. So I'm figuring that out right now. All right, so we've got the index here for it. So what we would do then is a set the weight, and the index would just be like temp index, and then we'd have a value. I mean, it's really, for this stuff, it's gonna be 0 to 100, I guess. Hey, Nate. No, Moff, that's the one that's gonna be in Unreal. So I'm trying to mess with multiple things at once, and right now I'm tied into this. So for now, all I'm gonna do is not worry about. I'm not gonna worry about doing a lerp or anything like that. I'll just I can do that in a coroutine. I just wanted it to work. So what I'm going to do here is real quick, I'm just going to throw in an update and say if input.get key down key code dot h, sure, h for ha. Stop doing this. There we go. Move morph. And we're gonna do, this will be interesting because we're gonna do body.rot shape. Okay. And then we're gonna set it back just by doing, I don't know, G. This is a very lazy way of doing this. I just want to set it back and forth. Move morph back. Move morph back. There. Mildly lazy, but we're fine. We're fine. All right, so let's just walk to this. Let's hit play. We're gonna walk to this lady in the hall. Make sure. Oh, the other ones are gonna freak out because they don't have it. So this may just crash. This is even more silly, but I'm just gonna put, hey Puka. All right, I'm gonna do a silly public bool test. I'm gonna nest it. This get real messy, but I just want to make sure this even works. And I could have just run this at start, but I'd really like to be able to go back and forth. Okay. Now I can just check this specific one as test, and we'll be good to go. Junk food and snack. I don't eat a lot of junk food and snacks. Yeah, she does the actual work that earns like money and stuff. Okay, so here's where I press J, I think it is, or H, and it'll instantly snap to the other one. Hey, G. Boop, boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop. Okay. Next thing is going to be setting up a material, which will be interesting. So I got the framework to do the morph target and pressing buttons to switch that. So what I'm going to do now is make a new material that will be a. Ooh, this is going to be interesting. I have to build a skin. This is going to be fun. Okay. Yep. Whatever. We got to create a shader graph. Everything's kind of at a half point where it's like Yeah, it is a sculpt that's sort of textured. It is kind of set up for transferring morph targets, so we'll working in layers. HDRP, unlit shader graph, hair, eye, decal. Damn it. Don't I have like a subsurface scattering that I could work with? Alright, fine, lit shader graph, whatever. I don't even care. It's fine. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna throw this down here. To work down here. Oh, this looks a little different now. I haven't used this since the update. Some vertex stuff, that's cool. Okay. Oh, okay. Surface options, material type, subsurface scattering. Surface type opaque, underpass default. Okay. I'm gonna have to do alpha clipping because of the stupid eyelashes. I'll be fixing that. Actually, no, I'm going to get rid of alpha clipping. Double-sided disabled, space tangent, subsurface, receive decals, depth offset, clear coat, transmission. Okay. That should give us what we need. Diffusion profile, I'm just going to set this to skin automagically. Alrighty. Have you looked at the... No, I haven't. Did I say agile? Alright. So we gotta do some texture work here. We have to do... It's gonna be... Oh, I guess they call it like a... What do they call it? They just call it like a base color. I want it to be similarly named, so I'm gonna go to where are we? Where are you in the skin? Skin. Yeah. Oh, base map. Base map. And I need another 2D texture, which is gonna be mask map. Another texture, which is going to be normal map. It'd be nice if you could just take the like the base material and just have all that filled in so you can work off of it, but whatever. No. Delete. Texture 2D, that's going to be subsurface mask map. Texture 2D, thickness map, and then yeah, I'll do a detail map. Oh boy. Okay, that'll be interesting. Trying to do a detail. I don't know how that's actually set up, so that'll be fun. Because I like having the detail map there. Emission. This just needs to take everything I might have. I'm going to be creating a couple different like custom shaders like this. Because there's some that I'm going to do that are going to cut out like most of the usage that would be on even the standard material. So. Okay. Think we've got it. Oh boy. Texture. Sample. Okay. So this is a sample for that. And then I've got mask map. Get out of here with that. Normal map. So this is going to become a normal tangent. Mask map. Normal map. Subsurface mask map. Really seems like, what's in these channels? It really seems like this is just RGB. Well, I don't know. There's some color in there. I don't actually know how that's used then. Well, that's going to be fun. And we have thickness, which is just a grayscale. I'm just trying to see if there's a way, like, I could combine the subsurface scattering mask and the thickness map, where it's like the alpha is doing nothing in the subsurface mask. So maybe I could put the thickness in there, and then I've got one texture instead of two. But because I'm already doing DXT5 compression with alpha on the subsurface mask, maybe it is using alpha and there just isn't any information that it requires in there at the moment. And that's DXT1. Maybe it's a break even at that point. All right, we got the subsurface mask, thickness, the thickness, and then detail map. Emission. There we go. There's a lot of textures being used. Great, and I'm about to add more. That's gonna get weird. My issue is blending from just one material to another, so I need to take... Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alrighty, well, let's do it. Base map 2. Mask map 2. Normal map 2. There. So we're gonna take these guys. CV. I have to like do some notes here or something. Base map. Whoop. Get out of here. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. There we go. Mask map. Zoop. And then normal map. Zoop. Okay, now the actual like transition should be easy. This is why it's kind of annoying. Because it's like, can I create like a note block or something? What do they call it? Utility? Preview? Logic? No. Custom function? No. Subgraphs, properties, procedural input. Do I have subgraphs that I could use easily? No. Great. Well, all right, we're gonna do some really simple stuff. Blend, we're gonna do a normal blend. Oh wait, that's gonna blend them together. What I'd really like to do is choose, can I do like a normal strength and choose like which one's which? No. I mean, I guess I would just move the strength from one to the other. So I'd have like a slider that I would move, and I would do like an invert on one. So when I move that slider, it'll just get rid of one to the other. I'd also like to mask the transition so I can get some interesting stuff going on, but I feel like that's gonna be not instant. Like I'm not gonna do that right away. I just want to get these things working. So I'd have like normal map 2 going into there. You get out of here. Where's the other normal? There it is. That's what I think I'll do. This is some experimentation here. And then we'll send that in. And then the strength is going to be, we're going to do a float. And that's going to be call it rot. Actually, we'll call it morph, because I don't know if there'll be other things I want to do. And then it's like over here. Yeah, node settings is over here now. Why isn't this over here? Just be over here, dude. My preview can be a little smaller because this is getting silly. There we go. Save asset real quick. So then for here, we're going to do mode. We're going to do a slider. I guess just 0 to 1. But for now, I'm also just going to create a generic slider because I want to see this work. And so 1 is going to become, it's going to be that. Set that to 1. And then this will be, just like an invert? No. 1 minus. Is that going to let me do this? There we go. There we go. Pretty much what I'm looking for there. And then you can see the blend goes from one to the other. So that's the hope. We'll see what happens. I'll grab the normals and throw them in temporarily just to see. And this will obviously get hooked up to morph, and then morph will be driven by code. I may even just be able to do all of it. I didn't even think about this. I'm trying to do it in code and shit. I may just do it in a director. But I don't know if I want to do that. We'll see. As I get more and more into what the bodies are doing and what creepy things are happening, I'm going to get a much better idea of what things I want to be universal things that all bodies can do, and specific things that only this one body can do. We'll see. This is going to be an iterative process here. But for now, let's just take, what's the name of this? Body, oh boy. God, there's so many. Is this even it? That looks like the grandma one. I don't friggin' know. Ugh. I just want to, can I like drag it down? Man, they throw so much crap into here. There's so much waste in the, in these material setups that come in from Character Creator. I mean, they don't get used, so they get removed at build, but it's just like, it makes it so confusing. There's so much shit that comes out. So we got old lady, and I don't have the old lady base there. What I have to do is go to old lady, yeah. And here's the skin normal. Can I toss that there? GA skin body PBR normal. I mean, I guess that's old lady. Old lady 2. There we go. We'll go with this one. Sure. Why the fuck not? All right. This will, let's get this over to here just so I can easily see the normal. Do. Where? What? Oh, normal. There we go. Okay, nothing at the moment, because I think I gotta go whoop. That one goes away. Yeah, see, we can see the normal be there now, so all I gotta do is take this one for normal 2 and make this, what is it, rot? No, why would I call it that? That's fine. Just body normal. There we go. So now if I whoop, oh. Yeah, so that's the thing, is like there's a lot of great stuff about it, but yeah, it can be jank. Okay, so there's this. So if I whoa, 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 there we go. Neat. So okay, we've got that basically done. I'll do, like I said, there will be smarter ways of doing that. Let me hook this up. Get rid of you. All right, sample textures. We're gonna get the same. Yeah, man. Everything's gonna be tied to morph here. So I think that's what's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna just do a regular blend now. And do like we'll do texture map 1, texture map 2, and then it'll just be probably an overwrite, I think, and then morph will drive that, but we'll see. Stretch! Thank you, I'll stand up. Now the character can create, looks great, but I've not spent hours getting it into my game. Yeah, the thing, Luch, is like, I have spent the time, obviously, to get this, and once you can get the process down, it's very fast, and it's worth it then. Yeah, it's a motorized desk. We're gonna go with oh wait, that's mask map, not base map. What am I doing? Where's other base map? Where are you, other base map? There you are. Get out of here, crap map. There's the other mask map. There it is. So that's going to become the color for that. There we go. That's my rot. Hopefully. Yeah. I mean, the thing is, as a solo developer, it can really help because it's like when you get the process, and it's like anything, everything's a time sink, right? And it's about cost and time that you can save. And with Character Creator, there's growing pains just like any tool, right? Like if you were learning a new modeling package, you'd be able to model stuff for your game just fine eventually, but it's got a lot of front-loaded work, right? Where you got to spin up and get it at part of your pipeline and adopt that, and that takes time. It takes a lot of time. But with this sort of thing, I mean, you guys have seen me create characters for the game. It takes about 30 minutes, not even, right? Depending on what I want to do. Then obviously as I start to drill down into other things like sculpting, like I was doing last night, that takes time, but that's for the sake of uniqueness in the game and cool things that can happen, and that's totally worth it. But with it cost me like, I think a total of like $800 for everything. And yeah, you have to do the license acquiring, but they give you that for free. You just need to email them the mass distribution license. And it's like, while it took a while, it still wasn't horrible. So yeah. Okay, let me see this. Yeah, so we go to white and we go to that color. Yeah. Yeah, as you build more and more stuff with it, it can really save you, but yeah. There it is. So this blend should also work pretty easily by going, you know what, for now, again, I'm just gonna hook up to the slider. I've got this morph, I know it'll work that way, so I wanna make sure they all work easily. Secret. I stream different times of day, different days. Not my fault. Not my fault you can't wake up like an adult. Okay. So we have built here, so we should see. Yeah, alright. before your very eyes. And then we should basically do the same thing here. And you know what I realized? I may be able to just do this with a normal map instead of doing a normal strength. Because I'm just doing an exact 1-to-1. I'm not doing anything voodoo-y here. Let's see. Add lookup texture? Is that? I don't know where you saw it. Could be a lookup texture. It has to do with color mapping. Yeah, okay, cool. Nice, we get rid of 3 nodes. More. So we just do blends, and we should be good. For now. We'll drive other stuff eventually, but for now. Oh, and it... Okay. Got you. Okay, sorry. I'm all over the place. Yeah, Luch, it really... I mean, we'll be here with you, right? I use it. I use it now for my game. I've adopted it. I've gotten the mass use license. I am using it for this project. So, I mean, if you ever hit a roadblock, you can jump in here. Also, the Discord, we have Twitch. You know, Twitch Dog is constantly like people are learning shit in there and sharing their stuff actively with Character Creator. So we're here to help. We can help you. We can all get through it together. So now I got another blend, and now I can do the mask maps. And this will go into mask map. Oh, this is gonna, I'm going to break this apart. Oh, shit. Okay. Channel split. There we go. If I'm not mistaken, which I think I am, red is my metal. Where don't have metalness anymore. The hell's metalness? What's going on here? Smoothness, great. Subsurface mask is just gonna be, where's my subsurface mask? There it is. No, Character Creator is free to try, but there's different levels of like it's very piecemeal. You get Character Creator, but then you can make some pretty generic stuff, but some things, and there's a few free packages. You can buy the human skin package or whatever, and then you can buy the skin creation pro or whatever that other add-on is. There's like plugins and add-ons and other things, plus iClone I use for animation, so it stacks, but you can pick and choose. There's a subsurface mask, that'll be fine. Skin is fine. Thickness, you will also be the same, so that doesn't need to change. That's good. But you can't, yeah, I mean, that's, you know, everybody wants to, I mean, they gotta make money from making their stuff, so I mean, I understand, it's just, yeah. And then we're gonna have an emissive map, which I'm gonna need to clean all this crap up. Then I'll probably, for now I'm just gonna do the map, but I'll probably throw a slider in there that doesn't multiply, where I can just be like, make it super bright, you know? Start with a budget or start with Blender Internet Free. Yeah, if you have no money, there's stuff there. It's just, you're gonna have to put in more work. I mean, that's, you know, that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. It's like when you look at the total cost, like I said, I've spent about, I think, $800 total on the Character Creator suite that I am now using. And that sounds like a lot of money. It is a good chunk of money. But when you consider that I'm doing a character-heavy game, and one good character that is rigged and animated for a game can cost several $1,000s, depending on who you go to, it's definitely worth it. All right, mask map. We're gonna go old lady. We're gonna go to the materials for the old lady and go to the body. Body, mask map. Hook you up. Mask map 2. Rot. Mask map. Hook you up. I feel like the character creator mask map is not correct. Because alpha is the smoothness. But if I look at their mask map, it's not exactly correct. I wonder if there's a way to adjust that. Because if I look at their mask map right here, alpha is, oh no, they have it in alpha. Okay, no. They got it. Alpha smoothness, which means green is ambient occlusion. Why there's no metalness? I'm not sure. I think I need to turn that on actually. Graph settings, surface options. HDRP. Where the hell? Material lit. Material type, subsurface. Transparent, render past default. Cold mode back. Alpha clipping, no. Double-sided disabled. Well, it's metal. Specular occlusion mode. Wait, so you have a semi-expensive free to open. Wait, so you have a semi-expensive fee to open the program. Well, no, if you want to use, so they have, if you want to not, well, you don't buy it. If you want to use everything that you've made in your game, you have to get the mass distribution license, where all you do is email their marketing team and they will give it to you for free. They say that it's a check to be like, is our stuff being used for, you know, a legit purpose? But in reality, it seems like, because I've talked with them now and obtained the license and everything, so it seems like really what they're doing is they want to see what projects are using their tool, and they want to be able to basically attach their name to it if it looks like it's good, right? They want to be able to take screenshots or trailers or whatever and put it on their website and be like, look what uses character creator, you know, and that sort of stuff. So that's kind of a way they do it. It's definitely weird, but when you think about it, it makes sense that everything that you're using in character creator, you didn't make the models of. They are altered versions of what they have made for you. And so it's this weird gray area of like, it's yours, but it's also not. Now, if you go, they have stuff in their EULA where it's like, if you like went into ZBrush and you made your own character and you're just using their rigging and stuff like that, that's fine. It seems like you don't need the license for that. Now, if you take it into iClone to animate, you then need the license for that. It's weird, but yeah. Make human. I tried it. It just wasn't as good. I've also used Adobe Fuse. That's actually what I used for the prototype. Their options are just very limited. So, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna need like a smoothness ramp. What's in blue? What is that? All right, I'm gonna have to look up what, because I thought green was AO, but it seems like there isn't much there. Maybe. Hey, donkeys. Yeah, I've used it recently. I think I still have it on my machine. It's just not, it's not as friendly. Character Creator is a much more polished program. There's a lot more you can do with it. That, and it's like, you'll see, like if you've seen any of the stuff I've done before, like this is a new model. This old lady, I made it yesterday. I believe it was yesterday, like yesterday morning. Maybe it was the day before yesterday evening or something. But the way I have things set up now, I have prefabs that I do interaction stuff with, and I have a generic animator where what I've done is I have one dude that I use in iClone 7 to do my animations with. And because the bone structure is the same across all of them, they all use the humanoid avatar, whatever animations I make for that will work across all of my models. So all I do is make a new model, poop it in here, and then it'll do all the animations that I come up with. And all I do is throw the general animation controller on it, and it will do whatever animation I call. Right now what I'm doing is working on my transition shader for, you can actually see if I do the slide here, into the rotting that I was doing yesterday. So it morphs from one color to another color to the normal map and does all of that. And I'll be doing that in connection with the morph target that I've made. That's what I've been doing. This is sort of a proof of concept thing. I don't know if this is like, I still need to do more texturing on it in Substance. I still need more work on like the actual shader itself. But I think I'm getting to something that I can probably use here. And what I'm going to need to do is just expose this one morph slider. And then I should be able to do it. Poop in FBX, that's right. I think I've got it. We'll see. We can test in in Unity here. So instead of the body, I'm gonna do my own material. See, I put rod in here, but I feel like that's not a good idea. I don't think it'll override it at all, though. Okay, we're gonna do... we're just gonna call it skin, but we're gonna call it old lady skin. Okay, and now this is gonna go from HDRP lit to my shader graph, body morph. Okay, so there's our base everything. Now we got the subsurface map, which got lost. Uh-oh. Oh wait, no it didn't. I just need to find it here. Subsurface map is right there. Under resources single, oh, Jesus Christ. They need to clean their shit up. Okay. Single subsurface mask map. And then the thickness map. Detail map's nothing right now. Emissions nothing. Oh, it kept everything in there. All right, let's see. But I need, oh, you know what? I probably need to apply that. It's a big thing. Look at the bathroom now. I'm gonna tell my girlfriend I need to go export some models. Drink water. Oh, well, I've got. There's a reason we're called dark stoners. Not really, but maybe for just me. Yeah. All right, let's try this out. Old lady skin, we're gonna replace body PBR. How much is this gonna change? Okay, that was mildly unexpected. Oh, probably because my emissive is like, well, no, it's not set to any, I'm confused. Let's get rid of that for now, and then save it. There we go, okay. Diffuse profile, skin. And I didn't connect everything to morph, dadgummit. It'd be nice if I could just have this slider here that I could go into with the morph thing and just be like, okay, I can adjust this manually for my own usage here, but no, that's just a me wanting it right now thing. There we go. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, just you wait. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to get the material from it. Which is gonna be a pain in the butthole. So what happens now is we go to interactions, we're gonna go to the body runner. Switch gears. All right, so we're gonna do public material or shader. I don't know. What I'm gonna need is, let's go ahead and save this and I'll hook it up real quick and then I can do the code side. Oh yeah, that's a little poopy. Okay, what I'm gonna have to do instead, because I've got a number of things here. Yeah, so I gotta go to base body, which I've already found. And I know that elements, because we've got from here we already have the skinned render my mesh. So what we could do is say oh, we're gonna start and I have this situation with coding shaders for no. I don't know. Okay, I need to get a material. I'm just gonna call it material my mat for now. And then we're gonna do my mat equals my mesh dot materials. Can I do, what is get materials specific number, or am I gonna have to get, I'm not gonna be able to get a specific material, am I? Yeah. So that's gonna be a list. So there's gonna be a materials list. Okay. What am I thinking? What have I done? Why am I stupid? What's happened to me? Hey, you're supposed to return a list, don't you? What do you return? Returns a list. Oh, renderer. No, it returns material.
The merging is complete.
Ooh. Demkeys, thank you very much for the host. I appreciate you very, very much. How you doing? What's happening? There are no arguments given that correspond to the required for parameter M. Oh, wait. Oh. Can I do that instead? Just like declare it? Unassigned. What am I doing wrong here? What am I thinking? It's expecting a parameter, not returning. Oh. Oh, what? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna cut this crap. Okay. So we're gonna go. We get the mesh renderer. We're gonna have to get materials. I'm looking to get a specific material. I'm just going to get component children. And mesh.get component parent. Why is my brain dying? It's like my brain has just died. Shared materials. Get materials. What am I expecting here? Oh, I need to plug in the... Do I need to get the, let's see, my mesh, get materials. What is it wanting? What's a list of... Oh, what has happened to my brain? Instrument rate. Yeah, it's this is one of those things where I'm gonna have to re-look up what I'm trying to do here. There's just too much out there. There's too much stuff out there for me to be like, what is it I should be doing again? What's crazy is I've done this a whole lot. Let's see. Like say... Let's get the name. Well, wouldn't I? Couldn't I just get the value? I guess I'd want to go by name because I don't know. Yeah. Mats. New list material, and then my mesh materials. Or that. Whatever works at this point. All right, so now the hope is that we find, because I've got it, we should return the material. Or is it going to be instantiated? Remove. Ooh. Oh, that's in all of, that's in the 3 that are there. Because they don't have anything. Hold on, I have to set it for test. Some debug shit. Okay, so it didn't find it, but let me see. I want to check the old lady here and see if it's, yeah, it's instance now. So it has to specifically be instance. Dumb. Like I was saying, what's crazy is I've done this like a million times in the subject and in Kohate and in Our Secret Below, but every single time my brain farts out on how to do it. So, I'm only human. We have to probably get like, find this fucking keyword and activate it, and yeah, okay, so there we go. We found it. So there it is. But, so then it'd be my mat equals mat. We should see that assigned. So then what I have to do is get from there. We'll fix that to not be stupid, but we're gonna have to do. Well, you have to get like a keyword or like because I need to access this specific parameter now. That old lady's skin, and I get morph. Oh. Yeah, because I'm gonna need to, let's see. So I may be able to be a simple, okay, yeah, and then I can get the name. Let's try this. Morph, and then it would be 1, I guess. And then when we turn it off, we'll set it back to 0. It's gonna be H and G, so H should make her rot. That's my goal for most things, DevKeys. Is make stuff not be stupid. All right, so theoretically, we should have the material assigned. And because we have that material now, I should be able damn it! You son of a bitch. Alright. So I've got that float, and it's like, nah, dog. Set a name float. Morph. 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 Set the value to 1. So why? My mat gets assigned at the beginning. It is a float. I know it works because I'm, there we go. Slidey slide. Why wouldn't you work? Do I need to enable that? Do I need to enable a keyword? Is it a keyword now? Okay, it's not in the graph. Reference vector, whatever the fuck. Render material. Let's. That's confusing. Oh, whoops. I didn't realize I was still there. That was yesterday when I was just doing art. Flow streams are when I don't have chat up and I don't have I don't have the camera up and I don't have my mic on. I'm just making shit. So it's like this, basically. But then there's just music, and I do those things. But my normal streams are like this, where I can see you and I can talk to you. Yes, it does mean I forgot to change the title. My mesh. Materials. It is the instance. My mat. Equals. Yeah. So why? Wait, what's the do float? Do tween art got a setup for that? Alright, one's a property ID. What part am I working on? All of it. Oh, whoopsie dipsy. Right now, I am doing a weird thing. I'm trying to get a float in my material here to actually become exposed. But why? I don't know. My mat, skin renderer, my mesh. So in my mesh, materials, I get that, I find it. My mat equals mat, yup. Okay. Let's see, should work. Do I have to do something with the material? K-sect. Sorry, thank you for the follow. All right. So I got the renderer, which, okay, fine. But I already have that. The skin mesh renderer. So I already have that. It's already set. Show that shader. Hold on. Shader.finds, but ooh. Set float shininess. Do I have to find it first? That seems weird. I'm just looking at Unity's documentation right now. This is interesting. That's really fucking weird. And then set float. That makes zero sense to me. That's weird. Like I said, I'm looking at their documentation right now. Use the specular shader on the material. Yeah, whatever. Gotta head out. Best of luck with Devin. Hope everyone has a nice day. Thank you very much for being here. You have a good day, Dan. Oh, I'll manage though. What is the point of the find? That's really weird. I don't think this actually will do anything. I'm just looking at their documentation. This would be really fucking weird if that worked. Doesn't make any sense though. Find a shader with the given name. So I'd have to do what? Body morph then? I don't know. So what? I'm going in the material even though I already have the material and I have to find the shader and define it so that it knows to look for that float then? That's all I can think of. Can't bounce left, how to tell. What? This is why you're not a real pro. I'm what? I'm what? RTFM? Reading the, oh yes, okay. I figured RT was reading the, and I'm like, okay, what's F? Yeah. Alright, let's try it again. Even though I am fairly certain this will do nothing. Well, it did something, didn't it? 35 going on dead guy. I know, right? The fuck was that shit? You're 35 and you're not dead yet? Wow. Okay, so that did nothing. I mean, we got to step in a direction. Got an old lady skin. Got the material, HDRP lit. I mean, I guess what I'll do is try morph next. I mean, that doesn't make sense to me, but... It doesn't really matter if I'm reading the manual if the damn thing doesn't actually help you. I just heard what you said as stuck in age erection. Yes. And I'm having to not... No, as age erection. Okay, here we go to not working again. Yeah. It's like, I can't find that. Thanks, dude. Thank you. Mm-hmm. But I have the friggin' shader. That's what I don't understand. Is like I have this shader. The only other thing, and this would be stupid, but Hold on. Let me just... This doesn't describe it well. The shader property to ID. Is this what I'm looking at? Shader property to ID. Materials of color. Nope. Nope. You're just a big old butt. What the hell, man? Okay, fine. Let's go new plan. Let's see if I can find it. Hold on. I'll get to the bottom of this. I'll figure this out. Alright, where are you, float that I made? I'm wondering if it's got a different name here. Range. It's gonna be a range. Maybe it's not a float then? Maybe it's nope. Just out of curiosity. It's got range over float, so I'm wondering if I actually need to specify that. No, it's mainly me. Code always cooperates. The problem is it does exactly what you tell it to do. That's always my problem. Are there any local keywords that... No. Okay, so we got the morph there. I've set that, so now let me see about if I go into body morph here and I say instead of a slider, default. Hey, Bacon Balls, how's it going, dude? Yes. And that turns out to be my problem most of the time. No. I'm not moving for another 2.5 weeks. About. All right. Next. Now it says float instead of range, so I'm hoping that that works. Though it shouldn't be a problem. Damn you! Just her Michael Jackson conversion. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't have... I mean, I don't mind snow, but yeah. My map. Why can't I find this shit? Okay. Is it a... Is it shared materials? We're gonna see. We're gonna find out, because everything I set always, everything I'm looking at always keeps going back to how I have it written. So it means that the computer is wrong. Let's see what happens if it actually will I mean, it finds the material, so I don't know, but we'll see. Did not find it that time. Yeah. So that wasn't it. So it's in the materials. Cool, great. So we find the material. Shader keywords, set texture, set vector, set float, set color. Maybe I gotta get it. So I can see if I can even, let's see. Let's see if I can return the value. Oh, you big old butt. There you go. Set float, morph to 1. I'm gonna not do the do shit or anything like that right now. I just want to see if this is happening and I'm not seeing the results for some reason, in which case maybe then I have to find the material at the time. But that wouldn't make a whole lot of sense, but maybe. Just gotta keep trying weird shit. And Queen, I'm moving out of Florida, so there are worse things. Okay, so we found the old lady skin instance. Godspeed. 0, 0. Okay, material old lady skin with shader graph. Body morph doesn't have. Okay. It says it doesn't have the property, so it is looking at it. It is in the proper shader. Doesn't have a float or range property morph, and that's a load of poop. Old lady skin. Exposed properties. Morph. Right there. So what is it then? Surface options. Exposed properties. About 4 years. Curious. You know what I'm gonna do actually? Let's take a look. Not a ton, but enough. Where's my Mac getting set? At start. It looks for the instance and finds it and sets it, so it has access to it. That's what I was thinking, was like, maybe I need to find it at the time of doing it, but I mean, I'm doing it at the, it's referencing its material. It's referencing its own material. But I mean, Just see if I can expose the keywords. Okay, so we got old lady skin instance. Instance of shader graph. String, yeah, nothing. Page property name more. Alright, where are you? Do. All I can think of is it's not going to be vector whatever, is it? The reference. That'd be weird. I mean, it looks for name. Let's see. Just out of curiosity. Oh, yeah. That's due tween. This is so bizarre. Say it doesn't have it anymore, now it just sets it to 0 because it's staying 0 because I haven't been specifying, which means maybe that is what it's looking for, which would be fucking weird. And I'm gonna see if I can change the name. Oh, you jerk. That's what it was. It's its reference, not the name you give it in the shader graph. You. Horrible name. Alright, can I change this to whatever I want then? It's friggin' reference, because this is... Can I just be like... Let's call it skin morph.
So we're best friends now.
Lactose freedom. I don't know. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. All right, so this'll work. That was all of my knuckles exploding in anticipation, quivering. Yeah, get fucked. All right, cool. She's pretty shiny at the moment, but that's cool. So what'll come next? I gotta get rid of those stupid eyelashes, so I'll be doing that. Riddled with arthritis. This is not arthritis, my hands are fine. It's just the crack my knuckles. What are you gonna do? Sorry. So the next step, because we changed the morph target, we changed all of that, which is pretty grand. How grand? Let's change color of them teeth. Little much grainy. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna do float. We're gonna try this whole thingamajoob. Okay, now we've got this and this is because I don't think I can do my mesh dot do blend weight. No, of course not. Yeah, that's gonna have to be. I'm gonna have to do it in like a coroutine for these things. Really dental regime. We'll be next thing I'll be doing is going in and into Substance with base Granny here. I need to remove the eyelashes. Oh yeah. Yeah. You have no idea my other plans for this shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see about a enum here. Or enumerator. Morph. I have to say whether we're going back or not. I guess I'll do one for int float value, and then we'll say string ID, and then should be able to do while true. Actually, we'll say while I could say while my mat dot float be constantly getting that value. What do I want to do? I mean, I could say true and then just do it, and then be like, when it's reached this, stop the coroutine. Oh no. Huh. I get excited about certain things. All right, well, we're gonna do this. There we go. It's that ID. That's temp index. Yup. And then value is gonna have to be from its current value to value. We're also gonna have float current flyout float current weight equals so we get those. So okay, we set the value that we're coming in with, or we're gonna be setting to, and we're gonna go from I guess it'd be whatever I bring in, it's going to be value. So we would say, and we're going to go from the current value, from current weight to value times 100, because I'm going to send 0 to 1. And that's going to be over... I guess it'd just be like, for now, I guess I'll just say time delta time. Hey Megapixel, how's it going? And then for the mat dot, my mat dot float. Set float is going to be ID, and then that will be another lerp, and that's going to be from oh, I'm going to have to get the current float. Current morph value equals my mesh dot get float. Oh, my mat, my bad. My mat dot get float, and then that's going to be ID as well. Cool. So now we know the current value, and we're going to go from its current value to the value over time delta time, and then if, I guess I'll just go current morph value. I guess if value, ugh. Break out of it. There we go. What? What? You're not gonna let me... What? While true, do this shit. No, you're supposed to... Oh, I guess... Oh no. I'm doing delta time, which I want to do within... Oh, wait. Are you doing that? This will be broken. Morph body will be 1 and morph. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. ID, yes, but that's not the float for... Ah! That's separate. Skin morph is the ID here. Okay, well, we'll do this for now. Because that's just the blend shape index. For the, yeah, that's for the blend shape. But the float is that. I'll set it to be the appropriate thing in a moment here. I just want to break it so that I know exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, let's let this be broken. Because we're passing through morph, which is going to be ID, which comes into here. We're going to rename this to blend ID. And then this one will be, string will be float ID. Skin morph. We set this up to be somewhat useful in a moment here. Okay, super ready for this to not work at all. Nailed it. It's trying. All right, so what's going on here? Gonna do that real quick, but it's gonna go from value to value, and while non-equal value, I'm going from 1 to 0. Value doesn't change at all. Get float. ID. Guess I'm changing it there. All right. Whatever. Yeah. Wait a minute. Being... Oops. Okay. There we go. Okay. Sorry, I had to go silent. Cool. Okay. So now we can adjust this a little more. And say, so wait time. So we have, let's see. Rename. We're going to say wait value. Actually, we'll call it end value. End value. Okay. We've got the blend ID for the blend shape. Rename blend shape ID. Rename material float ID. And then we're also going to have wait time. Float wait time. Our wait time will now equal... Oh wait, wait time already comes in, so we're good. Neat, neat, neat. So now this is going to take, we'll do 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Morph comes in, body shape. So there'll be a few things I'll pass through here, whatever. This will get restructured. And so now we can do this, we'll do this over 2 seconds. Going back and forth. There's going to be some more rework where I'm going to need to plug into the body runner the name of the material, because obviously it's going to be different per body. So there's that, unless I can write something where at the start I find the things I need. We'll see. All right, so now you're inspecting, and then I'll... Cool. Alright. I have other plans for this shit, but it's set up now, is the thing. Okay. Let's go back into Maya. Keep doing all this stuff for the old lady, because the old lady's basically done there. This is gonna be weird. I'm just gonna save this. I'm gonna delete the eyelashes and see if my morph targets will still work even without the eyelashes. Such a stupid thing. Yeah, let me make sure real quick before. Yeah, okay. Art, characters. Oh wait, that's right. I'm going into CC assets, old lady 2, old lady. Not baking anything or applying those things. Export you up. Okay. Let's sit again for a little bit. Okay, well, hold on. Let's see what happens here now. Bring her in. Don't have eyelashes. I don't need them. I don't want them. Damn it. What happened to you? I'm sorry, what? This is how I did it before. So why is this being a button now? Ah, okay. What? Let's just try that now with eyelashes. Why is it massive? That's a big lady. Hmm. Man, shit. Okay. Interesting. I don't want you here. I don't want you here. Curious. Will this carry over? Because a lot of times hiding stuff will carry over. Who thought deleting some fucking eyelashes would cause the entire body to disappear? Let's see what happens now. Nope, didn't matter. Damn it. If you do it per game object, or rather per mesh, it'll hide them, but no, not all. All I want to do is get rid of these stupid eyelashes, but I have to add them back in. God damn it. Eyelashes are such a waste right now. I mean, if I go, all right, sure, we'll say old lady skin has alpha cut out, and we'll read this. God, that's annoying. It's so annoying. All I want to do is get rid of the eyelashes. What a dumb thing to have a problem with. There's literally no way that I could just be like, hey, get rid of these stupid ass eyelashes. I mean, I suppose it dicks up the blend shapes too, and probably the vertex order. So that'd be a problem. Yeah, see, it's like I delete that and clear the history, then suddenly it's not Not there anymore, but let me see. Delete by type, non-deformer history. See what happens here. Uh-oh, okay. Okay. Don't know why you're all there. Windows, animation editors, shape editor. Good, you still work. Still work, good. All right, we may have gotten around it here. So we didn't dick with the vertex order, which is good. Are we? Oh, no, we're still exporting. Good. Close. No errors there. Get rid of those eyelashes. They're stupid. There we go. Eyes are still closed. Face still rots. Good. Hooray. Now we've just made the material less expensive. Well, net gain. It already wasn't doing it, but it was doing alpha test and double-sided before when it came out of Character Creator because it has eyelashes in the material, which is pretty dumb. So that took care of that. That's good. I'm just gonna hide you. You're getting weird to look at. All right, yeah, that's much better overall. Now we've got her shininess, which we now need to look at. We're gonna go back to our graph here. We also have the detail map, which is a bit of a weirdness. Not sure how I do that. The hair is a separate material. I did lower her material count overall down to 6, though I am making a more complex material now. So who knows? But overall, this isn't terrible. All right, so I'm gonna have to take a look at exactly how detail maps are thrown together here, because I would like to use them. I'd like you to be able to get close and be like, look at the detail on her face, you know, even though there's nothing there right now. So what I gotta do is CC assets, old lady 2, not you, what are you doing? Materials, old lady. We're gonna go back to the skin body stuff here and get the detail map just so I can plug it in. And detail map, node settings, skin detail map. Yeah. Okay. And so now, yeah, I'm going to look at how detail maps are hooked up. Because I'm pretty sure it's broken up. Like per channel type thing. Okay. So there is yep, it is broken up. So the green channel is the Y of the normal map, red channel is the X of the normal map. So you have to combine those. So that's the green channel. It's the green. And then the red channel is actually the red. Okay, good. So that becomes our normal there. Oh wait, that's the alpha channel. Alpha channel, never mind. There we go. There's our normal. And then blue is like a mid-gray. Let's see. Off channel is mandatory. Detailed effect pump only. You'll need to set. Oh, looks like there's another thread here. There's like no good documentation of how it's broken down, so I have to like look at it through here. Channel contains albedo variation. Plus underlying material as an overlay blend mode. Okay, so we need to do a blend, and it'll be an overlay. Did we? Fuck. All right, whatever. Create node. Blend. 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 That's an overlay. So the red channel contains an albedo variation. It's applied to the underlying material as an overlay. So we put the red channel there. Yep, see there's our little pores. And so we would do that as an overlay for our out of the base color right here. As an overlay. That's not what it is. This one right here, that's what I mean. There. And I'm gonna have to do a transform. This is going to be a. Let me switch that. There you go. Tiling and offset. There we go. Sorry, my brain is switching gears a lot today. All right, so we set that into our UV2, and we're going to be able to. Let's go ahead and expose a vector 2, and this is going to be our detail tiling. This is going to be under detail map, and we're going to plug this in. So that's our tiling. There we go. And we'll go ahead. I don't think I'm going to need it, but can I expose? Can I do an integer for it, or are we gonna? You know what, it's gonna be UV0, that's fine. So we set how much it's tiling. The tiling default, where are you? There. So these default settings are gonna be, we'll just say 4 and 4. It's probably, might be a little heavy, but we'll see, we can adjust it in there. So now, we've got this nice overlay here, which is questionable. Said it was an overlay. Over the base, my bad. And that's the base. There. And then that would go out into our base color. It's a little bright, it looks like, but... Green channel contains normal. Blue is smoothness variation. Once again, applied as an overlay blending. Smoothness map, detail materials. Okay. So, this is a big noodle bowl to move this stuff around. All right, so there's the overlay for that. We can see what this is doing here. Little tiny pock marks on everything. So we'll definitely be upping this amount. But now, we've got these guys to be our normal. And we can do this as, where's a normal overlay? Create blend. This will be a normal blend. And we're going to take, actually, is that as an overlay as well? Simply use the green channel of the built-in detail. Blue channel, alpha normal X, yep. Okay, so I will have to do that. We'll see about, where are my normals? Are these my normals? Yeah, normal map. So that's gonna go into there. And then we're gonna take this, I should be able to just get away with RGB and say I need to put in the blue. X, Y, blue channel, overlay blending, smoothness. Using smoothness map for albedo or leaving it mid-grade value to keep the underlying smoothness unchanged. Could I do this? Oh, wait. Can I just do like a 0.5 to get a mid? Okay. Or maybe a 1. Yeah. Okay. What are the underlying? How much is this gonna fuck it up? Do what you're doing. No, okay, no. We good. All right, it just looked funky in the node. Any news, by the way, if you're approved by... Yes. That was, we were talking about that the other day. Yeah, I've gotten the approval from them. So we good. It was free. The only thing that they require is what we were talking about before, where they basically just want to be able to use screenshots of your game, the trailer and stuff like that on their site to be like, look at this game that uses character creator, you know? All right, so we got our normal detail map, and then blue, I think, was the smoothness variation. Yeah. So now we're gonna take our smoothness. Hooey. Okay, blend. This will also be an overlay. This is our smoothness right here. So that's our base. And then we're gonna take blue from this. It's gonna blend over it. And then that is gonna go into our smoothness. God, this thing is just fucking noodle vomit now. Okay, I think we did it. I think we got it. So I do this now. Beautiful, perfect. This looks great. Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, that is the addition now. All right, so what's going on here is this has gotten gross, and I need to... I think I'm missing a thing now. Hold on. Yeah, old lady skin. Yeah, okay, we're missing the detail map, skin detail map. And then there's no emission. But now we can get up in here. Be like, I don't know, 12, 12, 24, 24, 64, 64. 28 by 128. I don't know, something to get these pores that are... We're in a weird spot here. We'll get this working. It's not quite where it needs to be. Really? Am I gonna have to do like a 256? Okay, fine. Yeah, there we go. There's that. But this is making this look awful. That's fine and that's fine. All right, let's see what's going on here. It looks like our... Looks like our colors got flipped here. No reorienting. Is that going to do anything for me? No. Okay, why do you choose to be this way? We'll get this. So, real quick, if I move this back, I just want to make sure everything is cool. Okay, yeah, so that's where that's supposed to be. Now this stuff, this looks kind of ridiculous. So what's going on here? That's our, what I've done here. Oh boy. I'll move these here for now just because I'm looking at it. Alpha channel contains a normal X. So go to the alpha. Normal X would be R, yep. Green channel Y, yep. There it is. Red is the albedo variation. Blue is the smoothness variation. There's a thing about just doing blue could be mid-gray. Alpha X value, red channel. Green is green channel. And then, I mean, do I do 28? Is it 10? Hold on, we'll do, says blue could also be mid-gray, so let me try that. No. Doubt. Okay, let's try. Let's see if I do a regular blend. I'm gonna take these are the normals, right? Oh my god, get on top. Because I did a regular blend already. Do overlay, that's the base. Why do you look this way? I get there's a normal specific blend, but I'm curious because I already do that for the other one. That seems like that might actually be what I need to do. Yeah, it was. So now when we get close, we've got these little pores here. Let me make this a little smaller. Or larger, I mean. Either way, I've got that now. Okay. Whoopsies. Okay. So this is pretty much set up to how I had it before. With the regular, like, skin shader material, the regular lit shader. I feel like the normal's looking a little butt. Maybe that's the skin profile though, actually. Take a look at this dude. Part of it is I think I don't have any ramp controls for what is this? Why is this like this? That's weird. A little better. Make those normals stand out. Soften that up. Okay. So we've got that overlay. Good, good, good. That's overlaid. That's all set. No alphas. Fuck you. Okay. For now, I think that's okay. Oh, let's see up close. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I'll bring her in here and look at, whoops, look at the comparison. Kind of like how she's looking here. Uh-oh, what just happened? What was that? Oh, whoopsie doopsie. It changed. Because I re-imported. Forgot about that. There we go. Now we can track. That's from Always Sunny in Philadelphia. That's Charlie trying to explain the Pepe Sylvia situation. So they were delivering mail. Fucking love that show. Okay. Rotting before our eyes. Cool. Much better. Much better. Cool. All right, neat. Let's bring her out into here. So I can see how she looks in comparison. Oh wait, actually that is same old lady, same material. I just realized this is the same prefab, so we good. I just didn't set that one up to be test. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. Coolio. All right, let's see what I can do now with substance. With the base granny. I need to... Oh, I'm gonna have to break that shit apart. I guess just the eyes that I'm really after. But I'd like to do all of the... I'd like to do the whole model. We'll get there. There's gonna be Mortuary Assistant raw characters. New old lady. File new, select new old lady texturing. And then I'm gonna have to add a bunch of junk. Is she? How is she oriented? That's bizarre. Oh man, why you order? Why are you this way? Hold on, I think maybe I selected the wrong one actually. Characters. Maybe not. Maybe it was the right one. Old lady texture. Why are you oriented this way? This is bizarre. Sometimes I don't think I like you. Why are you oriented that way? This makes zero sense. Project configuration. Can I choose up? Nope. Why would I be able to do that? General. Okay. Oh, we don't need the hair. Don't need... Oh, we'll take the teeth. I need the eyes. All of those things. Yee. I don't know. I don't know why this is being a butt. We're going to take a look at eyes first. Show and explore. Eye. Doot doot boop. Fillware. I'm not on an eye. Damn it. Do you ever use sorting algorithms in game dev? Maybe. I mean, what are you sorting? Oh, also, Agony, what's up? Hi. I didn't realize. My apologies. Good to see you. It's been a minute. It's fantastic to see you. Oh, I see. I've got teeth in the same place, so I can throw them in here too. Teeth. Save as. It's gonna be eyes, teeth. Question comparable moments. You're talking about like using dictionaries? All right, we can make some adjustments now to these things to not be dumb. What I really hate is how they do the UVs for these eyeballs. I wonder if I could. Nah, because then. Yeah, well, whatever. It'll be fine. I don't care. Boop. Time for some Milky Eyes. Nothing scarier than Milky Eyes. Now we're gonna get some white in here. And then do, get some of that back in here. I'm just gonna export these first. You guys know how I do. I like to just get it up and running first. What a waste of UV space these friggin' eyes are. So stupid. They got their own material. So I got a guide for stuff. They're like, these are the game eyes. It's like, no, they're not. If they were game eyes, they would be. Whoa. She's dead. That is the story of the old lady. She is one dead body of many. In a sea of death. Seg drive. Projects. Mortuary Assistant. What's happening here? Get out of here with that. I don't care about that. Assets, art. Oh. CC assets. Old lady 2. Textures. Select folder. We're just gonna do eye for now. And I'll do teeth as well, just so I can reassign Can it be both? Big words like autoerotic asphyxiation. Texture, old lady. I put it wrong. Put in texture. Oh. Perfect. Now I can at least set these up so that I can do what I need to do with whip and textures. Put you there. Put you there. Put you there. Normal map. Yup. Okay. Cool. Look at how creepy she looks. Not really. All right, let's get some creepy eyes going here. Oh, also, where's the mouth open? I want to look at that too. Those weird ass teeth. We got 15 minutes. We can do something here. Why is the normal so aggressive for that shit? What's up with that? Maybe it's just the lighting? I don't know. Either way. We're gonna go with, for here, texture settings, 512. And then for the teeth, also gonna go with 512. There we go. Oh no, it's eye nipples. Look out, Twitch is gonna be upset. If it's round and has a dot on it, we're gonna get banned. Get taken down, like, you have eye nipples on your stream, sir? That would be weird. No, I don't have that problem. Alright, now for teeth, real quick, we're gonna do a little color change here. Just real quick, like. Let me set you to. Perfect. This is a Christian platform, sir. No eye nipples. For that, but then we're going to put a real quick filter on this. Don't need anything else from here. Actually, no. Okay. Whatever. A little better. Here, we'll do a play so we can see it in context every time I update. I don't know what's wrong with me. She's scary. Damn, but you scary. Is it illegal to punch a dead? That's a good question. Someone look that shit up. You think it is? I don't know. Destruction of property. That's a weird concept right there. I mean, maybe. But whose property is it? Like, does it belong to the family? You know? Interesting. Next to kin. I don't think that's very common. Well, it doesn't matter how common it is. What matters is can you do it? How far can we go? I mean, others go that aren't me. Getting some gross little darkness under at the base of the teeth here. I was gonna say roots. I mean, I guess that is a root. It's weird that, like, for me, my hand is on the Cintiq, so I'm over here with my hand over the 3D preview, and you guys can see it more than I can. It's weird. That's looking alright. That's looking alright. Okay. Cancel. Save real quick, because I just scared myself. Because export textures is right over quit. Thank you, Substance. Oh, his teeth too white now. Damn it. Okay, that's fine. We go levels, and oops, other way. Go about maybe halfway. Yeah, the game teeth are pretty flat and easy. So I'm trying to, or like well maintained. So I'm trying to make them a little more gross. But we're gonna have to do a little bit more. Another filter here. Got that color balance. We're gonna do color correction now. We're gonna let gray it out a little bit. Gotta look dead. There we go. Maybe I get some luminosity. Yeah, that'd be fine, but maybe more like teeth there. We'll put on that. Orientation of everything's a little weird, so it kind of makes my lighting. I think you mean, wow, ice cream. Hey, the Bappler. Good to see you, yeah. I see something cool. I think it's all hooked up, should work. Oh. Look at that crazy long ass. Dang, this shit's so weird. Oh, it's because the other morph is like that. Silly me. So we got like, where's the other? It's an open mouth. There. So this right here is the sculpt you guys saw me make last night when I was just doing the, if anybody had stopped by for the flow stream, which is just, I'm showing what I'm doing, it's just music. You assume that's gonna be a dead body. You are correct, because it's actually this dead body. I'm testing here. Good, ripped abs, they're dripping off of her. What's your bar for abs? Let's move this lady through the other lady. Inside the retort real quick. And she's gone. Needs more squeaks. Needs any sound, really. This no sound, any sound, This all needs lots of texture work, obviously. There we go. Well, this thing's character creator stuff. I mean, yeah, I had another one that I had sculpted that you guys saw me make, but this is character creator now, along with the other two. Like this young man. There he is. I think we're doing pretty good here. Appreciate you. Okay. Did you write the character controller or edit an existing one? I've had a character controller that's like a modular character controller that I've used for a long time now. When I'm making a new project, I end up modifying it a whole lot based on what my needs are for the project. But, yeah. Ooh. So let's see, we do, where are you, old lady? There you are. Okay. For what, the character creator stuff? Or, I mean, not the character creator stuff, my bad. The controller? Not really. Because I did a lot of like hacking into the things. Like if you want to know, let's see, it's I can tell you which controller I use. What about did I use that? Cool, I'm not mad at any of that. Any move date? 2.5 weeks about. Anyway, it's actually the end of the stream. I can get the name of that package real quick. Hold on, let's go out here. Let's see. Hello? Hello, Grandma? I think it's time to go back inside. First, thank you very much. Yeah, it's lunchtime. I'm already a couple minutes late here. Let me go to Package Manager and I can find it for you, name of it. I bet I can even find it on the asset store. I got this forever ago, so I'm honestly not certain what it costs right now or if it costs something. Modular first-person player. Very good. It's $20 now. Cool. That seems all right. It's got some cool It's got some cool modular stuff to it, because that's what it's called. But there are things like ladder climbing, picking up objects, pushing objects. I don't use those. I write my own stuff for that, because like I use this in Kohate, and you pick up physics objects in Kohate and carry them. But I wrote all that myself because what they do is not what I was looking for in terms of like how I wanted the player to control things. So, you know, you can make whatever you want. I've also made it my own prefab where I have things that plug in from other scripts that I can write. So, you know. Imagine writing stuff. All right. It is time for me to skedaddle. So let me go ahead and get out of her. And come on. Finish loading. Let's go. Following. Live. We got, who's up and running? We got IR Scopes. We're doing it. We're heading over there. It's gonna happen. All right. Bone apple tea. Bone apple lunch. It's nice. It was good to see you too, Agony. It was nice to have you back over here. It was awesome. Tabs in from a Zoom call to see naked Granny staring into a window. Naked dead Granny. All right, but I do have to go. I will see you all tomorrow. Go ahead and follow the social things. That's where you're gonna find everything that I'm doing when I go live, updates and stuff like that. If you want to be amazing and support further, you can go to Patreon. And also, if you want to check out what I've been doing, Mortuary Assistant has like a 5-minute prototype that's about a year old now. It's what spawned all of this. You may have seen various YouTubers playing it and stuff. Maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, if you want to give it a shot and see more of what it's all about, there's that. And I have to go, so it is time to raid IR Sculpts. And hopefully they're still going to be going strong. As usual, I see a muscular, shirtless dude being sculpted in some capacity. So there's that. Yeah, there we go. All right, so I'm out. I will be back tomorrow, 1 p.m., 5 p.m. So it's an evening stream. It's an hour longer, I believe. So stick around for that one. Things get crazy. And I will see all of you tomorrow. I'm sure. All right, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Thank you for the subs and the follows and the whatnot. I appreciate you very, very much. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye. Love you long time. Bye.
Go with quality, make as many as possible. Every top vote is so bad. It's all done.